Okay, I want to show you something I just tried here. You can take any normal plastic little scraper deal here. I got this at the Reef Fest, local Reef Fest today, and by the way, we're having MACNA next in the fall there in Des Moines. But just take this and use this as a scraper, and I don't know if you'll be able to see this. I'm gonna hold this under my chin, and hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. Okay. I just have to trust that you can see this because I'm holding this under my chin. Whoops. You get the idea. Here, I'll hold it in my hand and do it. And you could use this. You could just use a brown kitchen scraper, like we use at home for scraping plastic pots and pans and stuff. But flip her over. The other side. Now Santa Monica, he does this with a hacksaw blade. What I'm finding is this actually gets rid of the red turf algae really well. So there's our cleaned off screen with plenty of seeding material for the next time. And here is our massive pile of algae. This is easily by far the largest harvest I've ever had. Look at that. You can make a pizza out of this stuff.